Okay, guys, I'm feeling much better, but my throat is still a little, you know, how that goes. So bear with me. Um, Today is June 2nd, Wednesday. I was going to build this rack here, another rack like this first, but I figured, I got that black rack over there, which is right there, that holds 369 tubs. And I like it because I made it, of course, but I'm making another one. And I'm making it different than that one. Right there. I'm going to make it like this, which will be 4 tubs in here. They slide in and out, of course. It'll have belly heat, of course. And then, it holds 4. So I could put, if I did 6 foot high of 4, that would probably be 40 tub rack. The tubs are $1 a piece, the wood I got here. But I'm going to make this and one of them on these upcoming videos. But this is just my first little phase 1 of this one. And the only reason I did this one first is because when an idea pops in my mind, I have to get on it right away, or guess what? I'll lose my mind. I won't be there. So that was that. That's what I did there. So as I go, I will videotape. It took a little bit to figure out the dado cut here because of the these tubs have this plastic little lip on them down there. I don't know if you can see it, but they have this plastic little lip down here, and then you're going to have a little bit of room. Well, that's because you see how far down that goes. But when you put that in there, it's not that bad because that lip, without that lip, you see, ready? Look at how big of a difference this makes with see. But when you got that lip in there, it doesn't go down at all, only a little bit, see? So it's hard to get that measurement when it's so small and you need glasses. But I got it. See, I got it. So, the tools needed for this again is the table saw, the compound miter saw, and my nail gun. That's pretty much it. Maybe a hammer sometimes if other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I got my little template piece that I use for, hold on, I go over here. Got my little template piece right here that I use for the, so I can get these cuts in there. They gotta be 14 inches long for those tubs there. And these are flat bottom tubs, which is very cool. Hold on, I'll show you what out here I picked up more today. Oh, I got one right here. Hold on. These are flat bottom tubs, which are sometimes hard to come by. I don't know why some of them have the big rounded bottom bits, but no, these are flat bottoms. They're cool. I like them better. They're at the dollar store. They're $1 a piece. Cheaper than Walmart even. Maybe not. Might be about the same price, but they're $1. A Dollar General's where I got them at. And then I'm going to run a piece of heat tape. Of course, for the next row, we'll go along here. 3-inch or 4-inch heat tape will go back here. And then the next tub will sit just barely. Will sit barely above it, so that way that it doesn't hit the tape when it goes in and out. But it'll be enough to put it on and have legs on it. And then, if I do it 6 foot high, like I said, I can get 40 tubs in there. And the whole thing will cost me, I don't know, maybe $100, because it'll be $40 for the thing. And then the wood, maybe another $40, roughly. I don't know how much. Well, then the heat tape, that'll be probably another 20, maybe $150. I don't know how much a plastic 40, one of them PVC racks are for 40 tubs, but I'm sure when it comes with the shipping and all, it ends up being more than this. I was beginning to think it was going to be cheaper to buy one than build one, but still ends up being cheaper. It's just, you know, yeah, pretty neat. But this is the tubs, just so you can get the exact tubs if you're looking for them. And they're Sterilite, but they don't sell these ones at Walmart. The ones they have at Walmart have the big rounded little bottom. I hate that. I hate it more than anything. I like flat. Flat, flat, flat. Anyway, and they're made by Sterilite too, the ones at Walmart. And I don't know. But yeah, I'll throw some more gecko pictures in the back of this because I took some new pictures of them to pick the geckos, and I got more eggs again and stuff like that. So I will definitely be putting them in there. Other than that, let me know what you think. And like I said, it'll barely sit above it just so that the tape doesn't, so that the bottom of this doesn't rub on the tape. I don't want that rubbing on the tape, the heat tape in the back. Tell me what you guys think of this design so far, and we'll continue on from there. And then I'll get this one done. I'll have that one done over there, and then I'll have, you know, I'll build another one of these for you guys for on here. That'll be my next few videos, unless of course before I'm done I get some hatchlings in. If eggs start hatching, of course I will get that on video for you guys. It depends on what hatches. If it's something special, I'll check with some people before I show that. But yeah, you know, don't forget to check out Fauna Radio YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description down below. Please go subscribe to Fauna Radio. Gary is doing a massive giveaway on there. Please subscribe to it. Him and I host a show on there. Please subscribe to it. I also do a show with Going Youper, the Reptile Roundtable. And don't forget to subscribe to Wally Kern's channel. I'll put all the links in the description below to subscribe to all those channels, please. And yeah, just hang in there. Peace out. Help somebody if you can help somebody. Show everybody, treat everyone with respect. Please treat people with respect. You know, even if they don't deserve it, give them kindness. Kindness is very important. We're in a strange time in this world right now, and yeah, so anyway, I didn't mean to go off on a rant there about, not a rant, but just going off there. But yeah, so there we go. That's the first little section of these guys are done. I'll build a few more of these levels, and then I'll mount them onto legs, and we'll see. Even if I don't do a 4-foot one, I mean a 6-foot one, I'm just, you know, I can build like a, I don't know, a 4-foot one, and then build another 4-foot one to stack on top of it or something. Because I'm sure if I could figure out how to put rails up here to lock another one on top. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. Peace.